So today I'm going to show you how to quickly transfer money to friends and family members on PayPal. Now, as we go through this process, I'm going to have it up here in real time. And of course, we are going to need to make sure we have a bank or card on file in order to do so. And if you don't have that, don't worry, I will show you here at the end of this video on exactly how to do that. So make sure you stick around. So here we are on the main page of PayPal. Of course, you're going to see some information here. I do have some stuff blurred out, of course. But on the very bottom portion of PayPal, once everything is logged in, you're going to see that option that says send. Now that's the option we're going to want to click on here today. So if we click here, it's going to bring up pretty much my contact list of people that I've sent money to before, as well as contacts on my phone. Now it might ask you for access to your phone contacts, and you don't have to give it if you don't want to. Now what we can do is at the very top, we're going to have a search option, and this is typically the way you're going to find people to pay. So if we click on that option there, it's going to ask us if we want to give a name, a username, an email, or a mobile phone number. And it depends on the person and what they have on file and what you can type in. So if the person has the correct email or the phone number that they currently use, you can go ahead and type that information in and it'll show up their account. Now, the best thing about all of this is if they also have a profile picture on their account, this makes things a lot easier to make sure you are sending it to the right person. So you can see myself here on the actual account, just so that way I can kind of show you guys what it looks like. So you see my name and then you see a photo of myself. And if you decide to send it to that person, you can click on that person's name. And then it pops up this where you see a zero balance and you type in anything that you want, of course, what you are owing them. So let's go ahead and say that you want to send them $20. So you put in 20, and then what you can do is down at the bottom there, you can go ahead and add a little message, whether you want to do emojis or an actual text message, either way works the same. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and click on next. And then from here, it's going to pop up a menu of asking how you want to pay. Do you want to pay from one account that you have on file or another account you have on file? And the nice thing is, once you go through that, you click on which one you want and you click on next. And then right over here, before you officially send, it's giving you one last chance to just look over everything. It's going to show you the bank it's pulling it from, that you're sending it to a friend or family member, the PayPal fee, if there is any, which if you're sending it to friends and family, there are none unless it's international. And then you can see the total amount you're sending and then how long it's effectively going to take them to receive that money. And here you can see it says in seconds. So if that is all looking good for you, you can go ahead and click on that send button, which I'm not going to go ahead and send myself 20 bucks today. But if you do that, it's just going to confirm everything and you are all good to go. But like I mentioned, you do need to make sure you have a bank or a card on file in order to go through this process. So check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.